Let's start by creating a new project based on an existing project. We'll click the New Project button. In the Based On drop-down, let's pick the project that we want to use. We'll use the existing name and click OK. Next, we need to add some files to our new project. I'm going to navigate to the Tutorials folder and multiple select these 3 files. They're added to the batch list on the left-hand side of the window. I'll select the first file and choose the Run command. This instructs GemStone to run the batch script for analyzing a file. It starts out by opening the model and then begins to analyze each of the defined cell types. We're looking at a page that's got summary information, and it is updating as each of the cell types is being analyzed. So here we're seeing numbers update for the Cd8s and the Cd4s. We're now on the B cells and the monos, and the status gives us up-to-date information on where we stand in that process. You can see it moves along very quickly. And in fact, it's completed that first stage of the analysis already. And now it moves on to computing the Cen-se plot. Let's take a look at that. With the Cen-se plot, we'll start to see the populations emerge and stabilize in their different locations on the plot. Their order placement on the plot is influenced by the order of the cell types. And here we can see it's finished already. Notice each of the cell types creates a nice island by itself, and most importantly, we have labels for each cell type showing up on the Cen-se plot. These labels come from the model that we designed, and the Cen-se plot also has this wonderful space between all the populations so that you can really see the distinct populations. Let's review the other pages. We took a look at the summary page already with its event counts and percentages for each of the populations. There's also a page for each of the cell types that are defined in the model. Here's the CD4 page. Notice we've got a plot here for side scatter and CD3, CD4 and CD8. We also have some plots that show us the progression of events in some of the staging markers and a summary table for each one. The Cd8 report is quite similar. Here's the NK page, the B cells, monocytes, gamma delta Ts. These pages are all customizable by you. Here's granulocytes, the Cen-se page that we looked at, and then finally we created a stain assessment page here where we can assess how well each of the stains is performing by looking at a positive and negative population and performing a special stain assessment statistical analysis on that. Let's go ahead and analyze the rest of the files in our batch. I'll set the second file as the starting place and then initiate the auto advance feature. We'll use time lapse to speed this up for the tutorial here. When the batch finishes, double-click a file in the list to review its analysis. This will open the saved analysis document and display the summary table and all of the report pages that GemStone analyzed. And that's all there is to it.